Hi again. I'm Loretta. Welcome to Nonya Recipe YouTube channel. This evening I'm going to do the second unboxing, which is I don't know what it is. I just received this package and it's a bit different. It's a bit unusual. So it will be part of my unboxing thing, which I'm trying to cheat. So please like and subscribe so that I can do more. So let's go and look at what is this strange thing that I'm having. Okay, let's see. Today, of course, the delivery came and I was busy on the computer doing all my work, all my studies and all that. I was preparing for a Buddhist lecture. So, and I was also attending our FAB, the Fabulous Fabsters Virtual Expo. So we had some time there and we did some virtual networking. So that kept me busy, and I also need to prepare my lecture for tonight, which just finished about 1 hour ago. So this morning when I went to the living room, I found this package. Ta-da! And it's for me, but I've already got my 2 packages from Amazon. So I was wondering, what is this, And then I see here it says, of course this is a selfie, so you can't see very carefully, you can't read, it's just a mirror image. So it says this box contains important PPE items for carers. You know that I'm a carer, right? So I'm not sure why they sent me this PPE, because as carers we're getting almost like every other month, or last month I just got one letter from the council, and earlier on this week I got something from the council about PPE and all that. So I think the Leicestershire Council is actually very good in terms of the support for the vulnerable people and people with disability. And I understand that Leicestershire is one of the best. When my girl was here, was in special needs education, and I heard from other people that Leicestershire has got one of the best support for people with learning disabilities and all sorts of disabilities. So I think Leicestershire has to be very proud of that. And I do feel that Leicestershire has done a very good job as far as my daughter is concerned, but not all is perfect, we have our issues and all that, but I think our Hinckley area, which we all live in, I do appreciate them a lot. So now I've got this surprise from them. So let's see what it is inside this PPE thing. It says here, contains alcohol-based sanitizer. No wonder there's a fire sign here. See, there's a fire sign here. Okay, let's see what's inside.